two little brown pieces.
Okay, now get the other one and push it in there. You can do it.
I don't know what
Don't too hard. Yep, push it all the way and you need two of them.
It's hard.
Now,
Okay, let's see. Oh, do the other side, baby. There you go.
how many
Hey.
apples does it have?
Oh, it is not easy, is it?
Cloves you should have in your bag.
Not very easy.
No.
I just broke mine, but
I know, it's okay.
Weaver put it back in. I didn't eat one.
You take your last two cloves out of your bag and put them right in your apple. Piggy's nose, so they'll have two eyes. Can you get it?
Okay, what I would do to put them in the apple is take one of them.
Wait, what?
Put both.
Wait, what?
You need these two little cloves. Two more.
You hear what mommy said? Just put both.
This one?
You got it, Brennan? Good, buddy. No, your pig is dancing. Come on, I got dancing feet. Brennan, you go. All right, your pig's gonna be walking. Just don't kill it.
Look at my pig, it's standing.
Oh, check it out. And we're gonna listen to tell it. Two more legs.
I'm doing this one.
Yep, we're gonna do this next.
Mom, this way?
Yep.
The cider room.
There's apple cider and there's apple juice. Apple juice like what you buy in the store. Apple cider. We don't do anything into it. We don't add anything to it. We don't heat it up before we bottle it. We just simply take the juice, squeeze the juice out of the apples and put it into a jug. You have that bag in there, that's little big holes in it, that way the apple pieces stay inside and the juice comes out. Every once in a while, the piece gets in. Here we go, we're gonna put the press in. As I said, the press is made of a really heavy metal called iron. It has a really heavy press down to the heart of the apples and squeeze as much juice out as possible. Alright, here we go. There it goes.
Whoa!
And we have
That's
cider.
a lot of it. That's a lot.
Yeah, it is. It's really just apple. Cider's always brown, either light brown or dark brown. When you bite into an apple and you walk away and you come back, the apple juice will turn brown, right? And that's what air gets to it. And that's what happens with all these pieces of apple. They're all chopped up and air gets to it, so the cider comes out as brown. We do not, this process helps. We don't have to pasteurize it, Tennessee. Kentucky does, we don't. Yep, I'll say I'm just waiting for the but it changes the texture when you pasteurize it.
First time, so good. First time,
You liked it? You drink it all. Both of you drink it all? Good job.
I just do it like this.
That apple cider is so good. Didn't expect that.
Apples in the apple tree, apples on the ground, apples in my basket, apples all around, apples in my lunchbox, apples at the store, apples in my cakes and pies, who could ask for more? You got it? All right, here we go. Apples in the apple tree, apples on the ground, apples in my basket, apples all around, apples in my lunchbox, apples in the store, apples in my cakes and pies, who could ask for more? All right. There, apples come in different colors. There are red apples, and there are green apples, and there are apples that are kind of golden, and they're yellow. And you know what? There's even an apple that's pink. Have you ever seen a pink apple? Have you seen the apple trees have to go to sleep? Now, apple trees sleep differently than boys and girls do. First of all, when apple trees go to sleep, we have a scientific word that we use, and it's dormant. Can you say that with me? Dormant. Dormant. Will you say that one more time, please? Dormant. always say that apple trees are dormant and mean the apple trees are asleep. Now, Farmer Tom and Miss Sarah cannot put apple trees in pajamas and tuck them in every night. That would be pretty silly. They have lots and lots of apple trees for several months. About the time it gets really, really cold and you have to get your big heavy jacket out, apple trees lose their leaves and there aren't any apples on them. And it's not very pretty out at the orchard. You know, today if you look around the orchard, the leaves on the trees are green. If you brushed your teeth this morning before you came to school.
Not me. I did it.
You did? Thank you for sharing that. Thank you for sharing that. Okay. For those of you who brushed your teeth this morning, what did you use to brush your teeth?
A toothbrush.
Toothpaste and a toothbrush. And when you got through brushing your teeth, how many of you put it in your backpack and brought it to school with you?
Not
Nobody. You're going to look pretty silly sitting out here at the picnic table when you get through eating your lunch, brushing your teeth. Or tomorrow, when we're eating lunch in the cafeteria, when you get through eating lunch, you're going to look pretty silly sitting at that cafeteria table, brushing your teeth. We can't always brush our teeth when we're out somewhere, like school or the orchard. Now, boys and girls, it's very important that you brush your teeth the way the adults in your household tell you to. Apples are called nature's toothbrush because if you will eat an apple after you have eaten your Happy Meal or your food in the cafeteria at school, if you eat that apple that's on your plate or comes with your Happy Meal, it helps brush off your teeth because apples contain good things that will help clean our teeth off. The inside of the apple and the peel both have good things. Now, boys and girls, eating an apple does not take the place of brushing your teeth, okay? But if you're out somewhere and you can't brush your teeth, if there's an apple on your plate at school or in your Happy Meal, eat that last and that will kind of help clean off your teeth.
How to grow an apple. In the winter, the apple tree is bare. Tiny leaf buds and flower buds wait to open. All the parts of leaves and flowers are inside the buds. In the spring, the leaf buds and then flowers bud open. Each flower is the beginning of an apple. Apples need bees. The flowers can only be fertilized by pollen from another apple tree. When bees gather nectar from the blossoms, they pollinate the trees. The petals fall off and an apple grows from where the flower meets the stem. Apple tree leaves make a special sugar that feeds the fruit. In the summer, the apples grow bigger. You can see bits of the leftover flower on the bottom of an apple. In the fall, apples use sunlight to ripen. They turn shades of red, yellow, and green and wait to be picked by you.